Hello mga kaibigan! Welcome again to my channel, and we are now in Rolandeck, and this is also placed in Remagen, Germany. At meron din dito silang famous old train station, at dito rin matatagpuan ng Art Museum. At sa harapan ng train station ay may mga estatwa na makikita kayo. Nakakaiba naman at nakakatuwa talaga na kuhanan ng picture at videohan. At ito nga, ako ay nag-video para ipakita sa iyo ang kakaibang estatwa ng mamang ito. Hindi ko alam kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng estatwang ito, pero I'm just curious kasi parang hindi ko maintindihan kung pang Halloween ba siya or mahirap na pulubi ba or ano, or zombie ang dating ng estatwa na ito. Kaya kayo nang bahalang magbigay ng ibig sabihin sa estatwang ito. Hindi ko alam, basta pinidyohan ko lang kasi kakaiba ang pagkakagawa nito. Ito din isa, maganda rin ito. Mahilig talaga dito sa paggawa ng estatwa. At ayun nga yung sa ilalim ng train station na building ay makikita doon yung art museum kung saan meron pa silang mga iba't ibang artwork. Kaya nga lang hindi kami makapasok kasi late na. At sa huli ay merong mga 4:30 kailangan i-close yung art museum kasi meron silang concert. So, nagkuha na lang ako ng mga picture sa harapan ng station. So, pagkatapos naman namin pumunta doon sa harapan ng art museum, pumunta naman kami doon sa Riverside kung saan meron pwedeng lakaran at pwedeng doon mag-bicycle. So, mahaba nga yung ilog na to, yung Rhine River na to. So, good kasi merong lakaran at merong kung saan pwedeng free to bike. So, ayan, ang haba-haba niya. And there is the apartment. You can see the apartment there. That is a place where we sleep for 3 days. Ayan, at may makakasalubong akong dalawang matanda na sabay na naglalakad. Nakakatuwa dito sa Europe kapag ka namamasyal ako or naglalakad. Natutuwa ako kapag nakakakita ako ng mga matatanda na magkasabay na naglalakad o kaya ay nagbibisikleta. Napaka-sweet nila. Kumbaga, syempre parang yung hanggang pagtanda nila meron silang kasamang na naglalakad. May paparating na bisikleta at marinig ninyo ang tunog na sinyal nila na sila ay parating at kailangan akong tumabi para hindi ako masagasaan. So, mahaba ang Riverside na ito na pwedeng lakaran at saka magbisikleta. I think nasa 14 kilometers ang haba nito na ma-enjoy talaga ng mga gustong maglakad sa may tabing ilog at magbisikleta. At marami kayong makikita na iba't ibang mga art sculpture habang nagbibisikleta o naglalakad. So, habang kami naglalakad, may nakita ako mga footstep on the floor. So, ibig sabihin ko nito ay 7 faces. Ito ay si Hamish Houghton is one of the most prominent representatives of land art. He sees himself as an artist who walks. Houghton undertook his longest hike to date on behalf of the Art Museum Bahnhof, Rolandeck. In 63 days, he went on foot from Bilbao in Spain to the mouth of the Rhine in the North Sea. His cast iron floor installation shows 7 paces as a symbol for his walking tour. So, yan pala ibig sabihin ng mga path na ito, mga footstep iron na nakalagay sa river na ito. And dito naman tayo ngayon sa aming munting apartment na ni-rent for 3 days here in Rolandeck, Remagen. So this is our apartment for 3 days. This is the room. We have a small one room, and this is the closet, and this is the bathroom. And see, this is the sink, and this is the living room. This is the kitchen. The terrace. And look at the table, dining table. They have this. And this is also the cabinet. This is nice because they have a lot of divisions. So 12 divisions, yeah. You can put all your things. Yeah. So this will be our we will stay here for 3 days. And the overlooking river, very big and nice terrace. And this is the terrace. Let's open it. So we have a big terrace here. And that's the view, the water view, and there is a biking way there at the side of the river, so you can walk and you can bike there. So it's a nice and beautiful view here. They call it river, Rain River, I think. This is a long, big river, German river. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy my stay here in Remagen, in Rolandeck, Remagen, and the place where we stay in apartment. It's a big apartment and has a nice view at the back. Thank you and God bless you.